Okay, the mower's fading in the distance, and I erased a little bit to give me some space. S, you have this. Zer is an adverb. You should add these. Harvest the vocabulary out of these. Gut, you have const. This is a verb. And on your page of verbs, really you should be skipping about 3 lines after each verb. You have one, gehen, I think you have already. This verb is können. Können, and it would be to can, to be able, we have to say in English. You can't actually say, you can say can you, but you can't say to can. To be able to. So kannst du is this. So here's a verb, and that would be the second person singular. If you've taken the course and you know your grammar, that should work. This is the second person and it's singular. Kannst du, du is a pronoun, second person singular. Kannst du bitte, this is an interjection. Sagen, well, sagen, there's a verb, and skip some lines, and that is the infinitive, it is to say. Wie du heißt. Well, heißt is a verb. You've got the rest of these. These is a verb. Skip lines, and this would be heißen. That is to call. Ich is a pronoun. Ich, first person singular pronoun. Ich heiße. Now see, heiße would go underneath here if you understand your conjugations. Ich heiße, the endings change. Heidi. Und sie? Sie is a pronoun. This is the second person singular, but now formal. Ich heiße Heidi. Und sie? And he answers, ich heiße Klaus. Ich will. Well, the verb there is wollen, and it means to want. Ich will would be the first person singular, present tense. Ich will kein. Kein is an adjective here. Kein Sauerkraut, noun. Oder Wiener Schnitzel. Oder is a conjunction. I don't know if you really need to write these down. Oder means or. Mit is a preposition. With Lagerbier. Das Bier. Das Bier. It's neuter. Das Bier. Nein. This is an interjection. Nein. You see here. Well, in this case, no is a different word and it's an adjective, and here no is a different word and it's an interjection. Ich will dein Freund sein. Dein is it's a pronoun, although it acts like an adjective. A Freund, der Freund, this is a noun. And I'm not sure about this too. I was thinking about, I don't think you have to have it there. Ich will dein Freund zu sein. Ich will dein Freund sein. I don't think you have to have it there. I need to ask Shirley. Ich will dein Freund sein, weil. Sein is the verb to be. Sein equals to be. Weil is a conjunction because you. So is an intensifier. This would be an adverb. So schön. Now schön is beautiful. Adjective. Beautiful. Und intelligent. Und I think we had that. Anyway, it's a conjunction. It means and. Intelligent. Intelligent, an adjective. Bist. Now bist is the second person singular of sein. Ich bin, du bist. Ist, it's irregular. Alright, so let's see what else is there here. I wanted to tell you that schön, maybe I showed you already. Schön could be spelled this way if you didn't use the umlaut. And that sound, or else, we don't really make that in English. It's the closest would be but it's not. It's different. So I don't know. I hesitate to say that it's approximately equal to It's not, but I got to get you started. EU, we should write that down somewhere. EU is going to be, I think we had that already. That's going to be approximately equal to oi. All right, now I'm not done. I'm really going faster because I don't have a lot of time. After today, I've only got 3 days left to show you German by my schedule. So I'm going to now give her answer, and then we'll stop for today. So one more video.